Once upon a time, in the heart of Whispering Woods, there lived a clever little fox named Whiskers. Whiskers wasn't the fastest fox, nor was he the strongest, but he had something special: intelligence. One sunny morning, as the birds sang their sweet melodies, Whiskers decided to go on an adventure to find the biggest, juiciest berry in all the woods. "I must use my intelligence to succeed," he thought, tapping his furry chin with a paw. On his journey, Whiskers met Snappy the turtle, who was trying to cross a stream. "Hello, Snappy," greeted Whiskers. "Why don't you hop on my back? I will carry you across." Snappy grinned, thankful for such a clever and kind friend. Together, they reached the other side of the stream, and Snappy waved goodbye as Whiskers continued on. Soon, Whiskers stumbled upon a bridge guarded by Gruff the goat. "Only the wisest can pass," Gruff pleaded. Whiskers sat and thought for a moment. Then he remembered the old riddle he learned from Granda Fox. "I can answer your riddle, Gruff. What goes up but never comes down? It is age." Gruff clapped his hooves in delight and let the smart little fox pass. Whiskers wagged his tail, proud of his cleverness. Finally, Whiskers reached Berry Hill, the land of the legendary berries. But alas, they were up high on the tallest branch. While other animals tried to jump and climb, Whiskers had a brilliant idea. He spotted a nearby log and rolled it to the base of the tree. Hopping onto the log, he reached the highest berry with ease. As he bit into the juicy delight, Whiskers realized that it wasn't strength or speed that had helped him today. It was his intelligence. He knew how to use his brain to solve problems and help friends. And so, whenever anyone in Whispering Woods faced a challenge, they'd say, "What would Whiskers do?" For they knew the clever fox valued intelligence above all else. From that day on, Whiskers' adventures became tales of legend, showing everyone that with intelligence, anything is possible.